Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I will share some of the best and worst cleansers that I tried. Let's start with the best cleansers that I tried. The first one is this one from Aveeno. This is my second time purchasing this. This is their Calm and Restore for Sensitive Skin Nourishing Oat Cleanser. This cleanser is extremely gentle. This is fragrance and essential oil free. This is a creamy cleanser. This don't foam up. This is a perfect option for people who have really sensitive skin, people who live in colder countries and their skin is really dry. This is a perfect option for those people. And if your moisture barrier gets disturbed really easily, this is a perfect cleanser for you. I enjoyed this cleanser so much, I purchased it again, and my mother, her skin is really dry. She loved this cleanser. This is her favorite cleanser. So if you have dry skin, very sensitive skin, if you live in a very colder country and you have dry skin, or if your moisture barrier gets disturbed very easily, this is a perfect cleanser for you. I think you will really enjoy this. Next cleanser I have here is this one from Hamish. This is their All Clean Green Foam Cleanser. pH is 5.5. If you have really sensitive skin or acne prone skin, 5.5 pH is great for you because acne bacteria love higher pH. This cleanser is fragrance free, essential oil free. This is also SLS free. This is a foaming cleanser. It don't foam up too much, but it foam up pretty well. This clean your skin very well, but this don't give you that squeaky clean finish. I will recommend this to all skin types, even if you have sensitive skin or very dry skin as well and you like foaming cleansers. Try this one. This is great for all skin types. And one more thing, this is very inexpensive compared to other cleansers. Price is only $12 and we get 150 ml product. This is one of the best cleansers I've ever tried, and in my opinion this cleanser is very underrated. I don't see anybody talking about this cleanser. This is amazing, great for all skin types. Next cleanser I have here is this one from Hada Labu. This is a foaming cleanser. This has different weight of hyaluronic acid. Like I said, this is a foaming cleanser, but this actually leave your skin hydrated, just like this Hamish one. I will recommend this to all skin types, even if your skin is really sensitive, even if your skin is really dry, a great option for all skin types. If you have oily skin, this is a great option for you as well because this clean your skin really well, but this don't give you that squeaky clean finish. And the foam is very rich, very creamy, very silky. This is really nice. I will recommend this to all skin types. I think you will really enjoy this. And if I'm not wrong, the pH of this cleanser is 5.5, which is great for acne prone skin, people who have sensitive skin. Next cleanser I have here is another one from Hada Labu. This is their oil cleanser. This is the best oil cleanser I've ever tried. This is fragrance free. It's also essential oil free, sensitive skin friendly. The best part about this oil cleanser is this is really easy to rinse. You don't need a strong second cleanser. You can use the most gentle second cleanser like this one from Aveeno. You can use the most gentle second cleanser and it's really easy to rinse. And like I said, this is the best oil cleanser I've ever tried. This remove makeup, waterproof mascara, sweat and water resistant sunscreen very easily. And this also has that slip. It's really easy to spread. You don't need a lot of product. So yeah, I will highly recommend you, if you want a oil cleanser, go with this one. This is the best one I tried. This Cleanit Zero cleansing balm, I really enjoyed using this product. This has fragrance and fragrance is a little strong. If your skin is sensitive, then I will definitely recommend you to avoid this. But this is a really nice cleansing balm. This remove makeup, waterproof mascara, sweat and water resistant sunscreen very easily. And this is also very easy to rinse and this spread very easily. Loved this one, and my mother also really enjoyed this product. Another great cleanser that I tried from this brand name Soonjang, Etude House. This is their 5.5 foam cleanser. This has very less ingredients. This is fragrance, essential oil and SLS free. This is a great option for people who have oily skin or combination skin that is more on the oilier side. For a 5.5 pH cleanser, this actually foam up pretty well and I find it very gentle on the skin. But like I said, this is a great option for oily skin or combination skin that is more on the oilier side. I think you will really enjoy this. And in my experience, this also remove lightweight makeup and sunscreen that is not very sweat and water resistant. This also removes that very easily. Of course, if you wear heavy makeup or if your sunscreen is super sweat and water resistant, then I will definitely recommend you to double cleanse, but this is a pretty good solid cleanser. Another great cleanser that I tried, this one from the Body Shop. This is from their seaweed range, deep cleansing gel wash. This cleanser is not fragrance and SLS free. This is a pretty strong cleanser. If you have sensitive skin, I will recommend you not to try this. But if you live in a very hot and humid country and you have really oily skin, you're going to love this. This gives you very deep cleansing. It don't give you that squeaky clean finish, but it cleans your skin really well. I think this is a great option for people who live in a very hot and humid country and they have oily skin. You're going to love this. These were all the best cleansers that I tried. Now let's talk about the cleansers that were okay, but they were on the good side, not on the bad side. The first one I have here is this one from COSRX. This is their low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser. This is a really popular product and I can see why this is so popular. I really enjoyed using it. This is a gel cleanser. This form up pretty well, not too much, but pretty well. And this gives you very good cleansing, but this don't give you that squeaky clean finish. This is fragrance free and SLS free. If I'm not wrong, this has essential oil. Yes, this has tea tree leaf oil. This also has betaine salicylate, which is BHA. It's a more gentler alternative of salicylic acid. So this is a great option for people who have oily skin or combination skin, acne prone, oily and combination skin. I think you will really enjoy this. I enjoyed using this cleanser as well, and I recommended this to my cousin and she really enjoyed it as well. A very similar cleanser, this one from Purito. These cleansers are very similar. If you can't find this, then you can purchase this Purito one. This is their Defense Barrier pH cleanser. If I'm not wrong, this is fragrance and SLS free, but this is not essential oil free. I think this has tea tree leaf oil, but please correct me if I'm wrong. I really enjoyed using this cleanser as well. I find these products very similar. They form up pretty well, not too much, but pretty well. They give you very good cleansing, but they don't strip your natural oils. And these both are great option for people who have oily skin or combination skin that is more on the oilier side. And these are also great option for people who have acne prone skin. If you can't find this one, then you can purchase this one. If you can't find this one, then you can purchase this COSRX one. Another cleanser from Purito. This is their From Green Deep Foaming Cleanser. This is fragrance, SLS and essential oil free. For a 5.5 pH cleanser, this form up really well. I will recommend this cleanser to people who have oily skin. I think you will really enjoy this. This is definitely not for dry skin and combination skin. A great option for oily skin. If you live in a very hot and humid country and you have combination skin, then you can use this one. But yeah, I really like this cleanser. This is a nice cleanser. Definitely not a product that I will repurchase this again, but I will definitely finish it. So yeah, this is a good option as well for people who have oily skin or combination skin that is more on the oilier side. This cleanser from Some by Me. This is their Snail Trucica 5.5 Miracle Repair Low pH Gel Cleanser. That was a really long name. This is also a really nice cleanser. This is artificial fragrance free, but this is not essential oil free, and fragrance is pretty strong. If you have sensitive skin, then I will definitely recommend you to avoid this. But if you have combination skin or oily skin, I think you will really enjoy this. This clean your skin really well, but this don't give you squeaky clean finish. This actually leave your skin a little hydrated. pH of this cleanser is 5.5. Great option for people who have acne prone skin because acne bacteria love higher pH. So yeah, I enjoyed using this cleanser. I think this is a great option for people who have combination skin and oily skin. This cleanser from the Body Shop. This is from their Drops of Youth range. If you have sensitive skin, this is not for you because this has pretty strong fragrance and this also has salicylic acid. They didn't mention the percentage of salicylic acid and it's down in the ingredient list, but it's there. If you have oily skin, combination skin, even if you have dry skin, I think you will be fine using this product because this leave your skin hydrated, moisturized. This don't give you that squeaky clean finish. And this is a foaming cleanser, a great foaming cleanser. So I will recommend this to people who have combination skin, oily skin, even if you have dry skin, I think you will be fine using this product. Definitely not for sensitive skin. So these were the cleansers that were okay. I enjoyed using them. Now let's talk about the worst cleansers. Please don't get upset with me. Sometimes people get really upset when I don't have anything positive to say about their favorite products. So please don't get upset. This was just my experience with these products. Let's talk about the worst cleanser I've ever tried. This one from Mizon. This is their snail repairing foam cleanser. Such a gag that they named it repairing foam cleanser. The pH of this cleanser is 8. That is just too high. When you use this cleanser, after you rinse this, your skin literally feel like rubber. I'm not even exaggerating. It literally feel like rubber, very dry, tight, and pH is 8. This is literally a nightmare. If you have if you have sensitive skin, if you have acne prone skin, this is not for you. Actually, I won't recommend this product to anyone. This is not a nice cleanser. Never purchase this. Please do not waste your money on this cleanser. This cleanser smell nice. This smell like bubblegum. But yeah, I don't recommend this cleanser. Please don't purchase this. pH is just too high. 8 is just too much. So yeah, I don't recommend this cleanser, and this was the worst cleanser I've ever tried. Now let's talk about the worst oil cleanser that I tried. This product is really popular. If you like this product, please continue to use it. I'm just sharing my experience. This one, this is from the Face Shop. This is their Rice Water Bright Light Facial Cleansing Oil. Oh my god, you guys, this has really strong fragrance, and that fragrance linger. Every time I was using this product, this was irritating my skin. My cheeks were red every time I was using this product. I don't like this product at all. I'm surprised that this is so popular. How is this not irritating your skin? Like, I'm actually curious about that. By the way, I don't recommend this product. Please do not use this on your face. It's just very irritating. But this worked great as a machine oil. My ceiling fan was making so much noise. I was irritated. Like, I was literally ready to rip everybody's soul apart. Like, it was just making so much noise. I put this in the ceiling, in my ceiling fan. No noise at all. Like, this is a great machine oil. Like, I will literally recommend you to put it in any machine that is making noise. This is a great machine oil. I literally finished it by putting it in doors, you know, the doors that make noise, and the ceiling fan. But yeah, I don't like this oil cleanser. The fragrance is too strong. It linger and it irritates your skin. Another cleanser that this was not bad, but definitely more on the worst side. This one from Pyongkang. This is their cleansing foam. The pH of this cleanser is 7. We have cleansers with 5.5 pH. Why would I go with this one? I don't know why I purchased this. But yeah, pH is 7, and this also has fragrance. When I used it in winters, this dried my skin out really bad, really bad. But in summer, I was fine using this. My skin is more on the oilier side in summer, and I was fine using this. But yeah, I don't recommend this product. Don't waste your money on this. Go with this one from Hamish, the way better option, and this is way more inexpensive. You get the same amount of product. So yeah, I don't recommend this product. Again, this was not the worst thing ever, but I will never purchase this again. And the last product I have here is this oil cleanser from Claire's. This is their gentle black deep cleansing oil. If you have this product, if you're enjoying it, please continue to use it. My experience with this product was not good. It's just, this is very difficult to rinse. Leave this residue behind. That was a deal breaker for me. I like using gentle second cleansers, and you cannot use a gentle second cleanser with this. You need a strong foaming cleanser to get rid of that residue. I don't know if that residue comes from the oils they added in this or shea butter, because this also has shea butter. But yeah, I don't like this cleanser. I don't recommend this. I will recommend you to go with the Hada Labu one. Way better, more inexpensive, and you get more products. So go with this one, not this one. So I'm not going to purchase this again, and I don't recommend this product to you guys. So these were the best and worst cleansers that I tried. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will leave all the names in the description. If you want to purchase any of these cleansers, I will leave all the names in the description. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.